Welcome, today in front of me POCO C40 and I'll show you how to change screen recorder quality on this device. So first let's open the settings application and scroll down to the additional settings. After that, click here to screen recorder section and you'll see here video quality. Now just tap here once and you can switch video quality to one from this one which you will like. For example, you can switch our 6 megabytes per second to the 16, to 24, and to the highest to 40, or to just to lowest to 1. And that's it. Also, we can make it by the second way. Just first we should open notification panel shortcuts, and after that you should find here somewhere the screen record icon. Just to launch the screen recorder settings, hold for a while this icon and you'll open the same screen recorder settings here. After that, just to change the quality by the same way, select one from these qualities. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.